Now, I know you're thinking, Little Bear, you must be crazy to do a drone shot about the snow. I can't stand the snow. Once it comes to our neck of the woods, we don't see any green trees, grass, or anything normal for 6 to 8 months. It drives us crazy around here. Well, for us here in South Texas, this snow on December 17th, 2018 was remarkable. In all the years that we've been here, I don't think I've ever seen so much snow. And I love the snow because when it's in an unusual place like South Texas, San Antonio area, it gives glory to God and shows His manifest beauty. So that's why I took my drone out and shot this footage because I couldn't resist the beauty of God's creation and the snow that He created. So just sit back and watch this for the next minute or two and soak in the glory of God, especially if you live in the southern hemisphere.